fostering a child's early understanding of tools and construction through safe, interactive play can be a rewarding developmental goal. Inviting young builders into a world of creativity, Grandpa's Workshop provides an engaging digital environment where children can utilize various implements like hammers, saws, and screwdrivers to assemble, fix, and personalize a range of projects. Within its interactive scenes, children select appropriate instruments to assemble, repair, and customize projects, thereby enhancing fine motor coordination and encouraging logical thinking. Visual appeal is high, featuring detailed animations and responsive touch gestures that make manipulating virtual objects intuitive and satisfying for little hands. While the tools and materials offered provide significant creative scope, a broader range of complex blueprints might challenge older preschoolers further. Overall, Grandpa's Workshop is regarded as an excellent digital space for developing fine motor skills and creative problem-solving through delightful, constructive play. Remember that digital engagement should always be balanced with tangible, hands-on play for comprehensive development. Discover Grandpa's Workshop if nurturing early engineering skills through delightful, interactive building appeals.